I want you to enjoy life and also take time to relax and really come out and enjoy nature. So guys, ladies, if you're working hard all day and you want to come out and enjoy life, I recommend you go to the forest, to some kind of falls, so that you can enjoy the fresh air and really let your mind go and relax. Oh, look at that. See that? That's so beautiful. Nature. Look at the nature. Wow. We're going to keep climbing all the way to the top of the Cascade Falls. And then we're going to have a really beautiful, awesome view up there. This trip is worth it. A short trip from where I live, about 1 hour drive. I keep going up and up and up. Check this out. Oh my gosh, look at this beauty. Woo! Look at that, huh? This is amazing. Just amazing, look at that view. Jeez. I feel rejuvenated just coming here. This is incredible. Wow. Wow. I want you to take it in. Really enjoy the beautiful scenery. Wow, look at that. Here's the different view of the suspension bridge. Look at that. Oh my gosh. See that? Look at this. Jeez. Wow. So beautiful. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at the background. It's amazing. I have to be here to appreciate this beautiful nature. Right there. How can you say no to nature? Look at this beauty. You need to take time off to come out and really enjoy nature. Wow. Today I hit jackpot. This place is so tranquilizing. Again, this place is called Cascade Falls in Mission, BC. Amazing place. Just amazing. The nature surrounding this place is just so beautiful, breathtaking. Wow, look at that. Wow, wow. I'm a little bit winded because we're climbing up the hill to another higher area. Oh, this amazing view. Oh, I love the sun. Even though the power poles are here, still doesn't take away from the breathtaking view of this beautiful mountain. Got these little shrubs, some trees, little trees. I don't know what you call this, grass? I don't know what it is. If you know, let me know, but I don't know. It's just so beautiful, look at that. Wow. As you can tell, I'm really in awe. I'm so impressed with this place. First the waterfall, now this view. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that, huh? I love my sunshine, I love my sunshine, I love my sunshine, I love my sunshine. That's all I got. I don't know how to sing I love my sunshine, but hey, it's good enough. Just look at that, huh? Just look at it. Look at that. Oh, wow. Great place to meditate, I tell you. You want to do yoga up here? Oh, even better. Next time I'll bring a mat. I'm going to do yoga here. I'm going to do the warrior, one leg balance, all that stuff. I'm going to do yoga here. Actually, it's pretty cool. I will come up here and do yoga. That's a good idea. It's time to go back down the slope and back to the car. Just gonna enjoy this beautiful scenery, environment for a little bit longer. Gonna miss it, but I will be back because this place is amazing. In the summer, I will be here for that dip in the waterfall. Oh wow, look at this. Just take it in. Just take it in. I hope you enjoy the scenery with me. Even though you're watching this, I want you to come along with the journey. Just relax. Take it in. We make money. We work hard. We stressed out. We love. We have fun. Now, this place here is for you to feed your soul so that you can really, really enjoy life to the fullest. Basically life, you need to take time off and really, really connect with nature. All the negative feelings that you have, all the stress, all the happiness. This is the place to clear your mind. Oh, that's it. That's my meditation. I hope it helps you relax and enjoy your day. We're just gonna walk back slowly. I love how the sun just peer through the trees like that, the branches. Look at that. Oh wow, just beautiful. The glare of the sun through the trees. Just love it. This place is just so beautiful. Just look at the scenery. When I get back, I will be looking at these videos for a while. When I need to relax and I don't have the time, which I will make the time to come and visit this place again, I will look at this video and just take in all the beautiful scenery. Wow, look at all the trees. Look at all the nature. It's just amazing. Going back down. Look at that. There's a little creek here. Woo! Isn't that beautiful? Listen to the sound. This is so soothing. Why they call it nature? Because it's natural. This is natural waterfall. Mini waterfall. And again, great meditation place. take it in. The smell of the air is so fresh, so crisp. Oh, so delicious. Loving it. Love it and view it. Look at that sun again. Here's some kids down the trail. Wow, look at that. Huh? It's so peaceful. Look at the snow. Anybody want to build a snowman? Make sure you bring some carrots and some hockey pucks. Okay? And a scarf. Make sure you bring a red scarf. Or, hey, whatever suit your fancy. You can bring a purple scarf or a yellow scarf. Build yourself a snowman. Amazing. Just beautiful.